Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler radio. Disconnect the battery before you begin to prevent shorts. Gather basic tools: panel pry, Torx bits, ratchet, and a trim tray. Remove trim gently to avoid breaking clips and keep fasteners organized. Label all wiring connections and photos to simplify reinstallation. If your new head unit needs an adapter harness, verify pinouts before cutting or splicing any wires. Start by removing trim panels with a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. Unscrew the mounting bolts securing the radio and gently pull the unit out far enough to access the connectors. Unplug the antenna cable and main wiring harness while noting connector positions and clip types. Take photos of the original wiring and placement for reference. If clips resist, double-check for hidden screws or bolts before forcing any components free. Confirm the new radio fits the dash opening and bench test it with 12V to verify power and speaker outputs. Use a vehicle-specific adapter harness to preserve steering wheel controls and avoid cutting factory wiring. Route the antenna and any microphone or USB cables cleanly behind the dash. Slide the head unit into the dash, secure with mounting screws, reconnect the antenna and harness, then reassemble trim panels using photos as your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.